In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new account in QuickBooks Online Accountant using a browser on a laptop. Before we begin, a quick note on what we're doing. In QuickBooks, your chart of accounts is the backbone of your bookkeeping. It's the list of all the accounts you use to track money coming in and going out. Adding a new account here helps you organize transactions accurately and produce clean reports. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online Accountant account on your laptop browser. Make sure you're in the correct firm if you manage multiple clients. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand menu. Under the section labeled Your Books, select Chart of Accounts. This opens the full list of accounts currently in your books. At the top right of the Chart of Accounts page, click the New button. This opens the form where you'll define the new account. First, choose the account type from the drop-down. This tells QuickBooks how to treat the account in your financial statements. Common choices include bank for checking or savings accounts, expense for costs like utilities or software subscriptions, and income for money earned from sales or services. Pick the option that best reflects how this account will be used. If you're unsure, think about where you want it to appear on reports, or check with your accountant. Next, select the detail type. This is a more specific category within the account type that helps with reporting and consistency. For example, under Expense, you might choose Utilities or Office Supplies. Under Bank, you might select Checking. Read the descriptions provided in the drop-down and choose the closest match to your intended use. Now, enter a clear, descriptive name for the account. Use wording that you and anyone else reviewing the books will understand at a glance. You can also add a description if you want extra context, such as how the account will be used or any internal notes. This is optional but helpful for clarity. If applicable, enter an opening balance. Only add an opening balance if this account already existed before today and had a balance you're bringing into QuickBooks. Use the balance as of a specific date, and ensure that date lines up with your bank statement or prior accounting records. If this is a brand new account with no prior activity, leave the opening balance blank. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Your new account is now part of the chart of accounts and ready to use for future transactions. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.